Okay, so I am gonna do a first impression today. That's gonna be so much fun because I bought something. I feel like the mini-me. I bought something. I bought this one. I bought the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I bought this from Cult Beauty. I will link it down below. Cult Beauty ships, I think like, are they shipping worldwide free? I think so. I don't think you have to buy for that much to get a free shipping. I got a free shipping at least. And if you're living in EU or like in Europe, EU I would say, this is the best way to buy without getting like taxes, because Cult Beauty is in UK and so far Brexit has not been official, if it's ever going to be, let's be honest, because that was just a bad idea from beginning to end. But this is what she looks like. She's also available at like Beautylish, I think. I will link a couple of places down below where you can find it. I bought this for £60 and I'm pretty sure it's $65. I have not touched this. I haven't touched it. So we're gonna do that today. I've done my face though because I don't have anything else new to test but this one. I'm like, bitch, I'm on a low buy. So I don't really buy a lot of stuff. Drink some Coke. And I thought we'd do an old-fashioned, like, just trying some things. I'm gonna use both of the yellow ones. This is more like in you know, that kind of mix between orange and yellow that I love. So I'm gonna use both of those. And maybe this one, I think, Clove, and I'm not sure. Let's start there. Let's start there. I just want to do something fun. I feel like the last couple of days, like the whole like beauty community, it's been once again it's on fire. Like not the whole community, no, but like I don't know. Does it have to be this big every time something happens? Like, does it? Because right now all I'm seeing is commentary videos everywhere. I just feel like the beauty community and the drama community, they're like merging into one, and I don't know how I feel about that. That is pretty dull. So I just want to do a get ready with me, and I don't know, I just want to play with some makeup. I'm gonna film a video or two after this as well. I've actually been to work today, so this is like, I think it's like 6 o'clock. No, it's actually 18:30, which is how we say it here in Sweden, so it's 6:30 p.m. And I pretty much have just been home from work like an hour or so. Just been chilling a bit, feeding the cat, fixing my foundation, and just really trying to avoid everything that's going on in the beauty community right now. I think I touched on this in my vlog. I don't know if you've seen the vlog though, but I don't like how people are indulging in somebody else's misfortune or in somebody else's mistake. And I'm not excusing anyone. I think that sometimes mistakes are made, and I am more interested in seeing how the mistake is being solved or how people are reacting to the mistake than I am to see people indulging in the mistake itself. We're so fast to yell cancelled before we just let things play out to like fully play out. And with that being said, I do think that we all have the opportunity or the, what do you say, the right to make up our own decisions. Like if you do want to do that's totally fine, and I'm not like excusing anyone here. I'm just saying that sometimes when things like this happen, you see everyone coming out of the woodworks to make videos about something that they wouldn't make a video about unless they knew that they could get that sweet, sweet AdSense money. And I feel like that is the biggest way I've seen how like YouTube has become a lot about money, is that when something happens, suddenly everyone's a commentary channel. And I don't know. I don't know. I get it, like, get the money, get that money, but I don't know. Sometimes I'm just like, what are you bringing to the table? Like, what is this video, your commentary, what is it bringing to the table other than, like, AdSense? And, yeah, I don't know. We are so quick to lift up people that are negative as honest, and I don't feel like it's always 100% true. Although, with that being said, I don't think either, like, I don't think that anyone that's making videos on this aren't or shouldn't, because if you're really bringing something to the discussion, I think that's great. But I wish that more people would ask themselves, like, what am I bringing to this discussion? Because I think that a lot of people would have a hard time, like, answering that. Like, I'm not gonna make a video, what am I gonna bring to discussion? And that's how I feel about a lot of these things. I feel like that's really, really pretty. Like, really, really, really pretty. Do I want to make an all matte look? I'm not hating on the idea. Okay, I'm gonna switch to something slightly smaller. I'm just gonna clean this one. All of these brushes are from Refer, but some of them have like prototype names, so I don't really know like what they are being called actually in production. But both of these that I'm using now are not part of the core set. They are brushes that you can buy either in the more advanced set or as like single brushes. I will leave a link down below where you can find Refer. So I think I'm gonna go into Clove, or do I want to go into Glory? Maybe I'll start with this one and then go into Clove. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. But at the same time, like, I get people when they make videos like that, because you get a lot of views because people want to watch that. It's like a soap opera. People want to watch it. And I'm not blaming anyone that's watching it, because I get it. What you want is entertainment. Like, I get it. I really do. I personally do not watch that because I feel like that's not what I want to indulge in when I come home from work, but I don't blame anyone who does. I was never into like reality TV shows or stuff like that either, so I'm not the right person to judge something like that, because I don't feel like that kind of entertainment was my kind of entertainment even before YouTube. That wasn't what I was watching. So I'm not like judging people who are putting up videos like that, because listen, I get it. I think that sometimes there is a misconception out there that AdSense money is like nothing. Like there's no money in AdSense, but that is not the case. AdSense can be really, really good money, especially if you get a video that gets a lot of views. That can be really good money, and I think that you'd be surprised how much some of the smaller creators that you are watching, I think you'd be surprised at how much money they're actually making on YouTube. Because I think that sometimes people think that it's like $100 here and there, and I would definitely suggest that it's more. I'm just building on a bit more of that orange and yellow on the edge here. Just to not lose the, I was gonna say sunset look, but obviously it's a sunrise look. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna use Clove now, which is this one right here, the darkest one in this palette. Is this the darkest in the palette? Yeah, that's the darkest in the palette. And I'm gonna use that just a little bit to deepen everything up out here. Oh, it's itchy. I think I'm gonna use a couple of these shades under my eyes as well. Okay, parts of me is like, just make it matte. To use like, do I want to do that? I think I want to do that. Let me, what do I want to do? Maybe I'll do a half cut crease with just mattes. Because I already know I like the Natasha Denona shimmers. It's the mattes I haven't been playing with enough. And these are beautiful. Maybe I'm feeling an all matte look. Let me do a half cut crease and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I'm gonna extend the line this time a bit. Let's see how that works out, I have no idea. I'm gonna use the two yellows. So I'm gonna start with the dark yellow in the middle and I'm gonna put this one in the inner corner and then I'm gonna meet up with the reddish shade. That is the plan at least. Nobody really knows. So I'm putting this in the middle and also like a little triangle. Is that the best description I have? Apparently. A little triangle. Now I'm taking a very small brush. This is part of the core set actually from Redford. This is number 3. And now I'm taking the lighter yellow. And let's see if I can just... Do you see anything? Probably not. I'm gonna use a little more of the darkest shade out here. I'm also gonna meet up here a bit. How is this looking? Not sure. I'll be fine. Okay, I think I'm gonna do some liner and some mascara. What do I want to have for a lip? Let me find something for my lippy as well. Let me just fix some things. Fixie, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have, I think, pretty much finished this up. I have Fire Engine by Gerard on. It's like a matte Fire Engine red. I thought that, on my fingers, I thought that a red would go with this look. I think it's pretty cool. Don't you think that this is pretty cool? I remembered, I did my liner and I did my mascara and then I remembered I have this yellow mascara by Colourpop. So I decided to use this on my lower lashes and I even used this over a black mascara and it's like almost like 100% opaque and I think that's pretty impressive. And just thinking of that this actually went over black mascara, it shows that if you have darker lashes, this is probably going to cover those as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put some lashes on. I have some in front of me. These are the Midnight Luxe by House of Lashes. I think I'm just gonna put these on because they're in front of me and that's gonna be the finished look. So let me just do that and we're gonna be done and I'll just leave you with some final words because I don't want to stir up too much drama because it's what I'm trying to avoid. Am I digging myself a hole? I might. Okay, so that is the finished look. The lashes are on and I am all done. Cat hair. I feel the cat hair. Oh, is this lash really on? I think it is. And that's the finished look. I want to leave you with some words because this is not me complaining about like drama channels or commentary channels or anyone who chooses to do commentary. This is just me venting how frustrating it is to see your whole subscription feed be that when you're actively avoiding watching that. Does this make any sense? And I do feel like there's come some really good videos out of this whole situation that's been now and the whole situation that was before from the whole James Charles and Tati situation as well. I feel like we forget that there is nobody out there that sits with 100% of the truth. There's always more than one side to the story and there are never like in things like this, there are never winners and losers. There's always all losers, to be honest. And I just wish that we sometimes would just, I don't know, gather more information before we jump the gun. And I do think that it's good to lift these things. I think it's good to vent these things. I just don't really know if everyone needs to vent these things. Because there's been some really good contributions to this discussion. I really like the Raw Beauty Christy video where she looked in the microscope, for example. I feel really bad for her though, because I think that that video got more attention than she thought. I really love Raw Beauty Christy. She's one of my favorite YouTubers here on this platform. She's like the YouTuber, the bigger YouTuber that I really wish that I could meet, like her and Samantha Ravindall, because I adore her and I don't think that she really was expecting this kind of reaction from this video. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to like choose my words carefully here. And yeah, I don't know. It's hard to vent what I'm trying to say because I don't know. Maybe I need new channels to watch. Maybe that's it. But I do think there's been some really good videos made about this. I think it's good in any kind of situation in life, not just YouTube, any kind of situation in life, to keep your options open, to keep your mind open, and to have at least a thread of like the possibility of you changing your mind. Because, and this is what my grandfather always said, he always said, I'm not, how do you say this in English? I think I've said it before and I haven't really been able to capture it, but basically like, I am not as bad as a person so that I cannot change my mind and admit that I was wrong. Something like that is the essence of what he used to say. He was from Värmland in Sweden and he said it in a very nice accent. Man är väl inte sämre människa än den kan ändra på sig. That is very like hillbilly Swedish accent, but basically just keep your options, like keep your mind open, because you never know when you're gonna be proven wrong or when you're gonna get to a point when you're like, oh wait, I need to like rethink what I think. And I don't say that anyone needs to do that in this situation. I am not a knight in shining armor for anyone here on YouTube. I'm just saying it's always good to like have an open mind. Don't come for me. I am not advocating in anyone's favor here. I'm just simply voicing my opinion on not wanting to watch more commentary, basically. Give me some suggestions of good videos that you've seen lately that's been drama-free. I'd love to see them. I know that when you post links on YouTube though, you might get in the spam folder, but I will look through all of it and unspam it. So give me suggestions of some really good videos that you've seen lately that's been drama-free. I need something new to watch, and that will be everything for this video. I really like the palette. I think the look is really beautiful. It's very similar to something that I did with the Certified Affinity palette though, but yeah, I like the look. I've been really into oranges lately. I'm gonna do some more looks with this. I'm not gonna have time to do more looks with this before I go on my vacation, but I'll do something when I come home, maybe a one palette 2 looks. I want to try and do something that's more like purpley cool toned and not pull in any yellows. I'm gonna see if I can make that happen. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look. Let me know how you feel about these things. Try to keep it civil. The world needs more kindness and just sane thoughts. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, which is gonna be either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. That's how it is here on my channel. Bye!